The First Nation Wild Salmon Alliance has been extremely active over the years in monitoring the developments in relationship to the impacts that wild salmon experience from open net pen fish farms. We've gathered today to again revisit for the federal government and British Columbians alike the broad First Nations support for the removal of open net pen fish farms from BC oceans. We fully expect the federal government to pick up the work that has begun, that has got to the point into the final phases where we see full protection of wild salmon. We call on Prime Minister Carney to come and meet with us in British Columbia, where we can discuss the rehabilitation and rebuilding of wild salmon of British Columbia as a nation-building project, one that is not extractive in nature, one that works to accommodate Aboriginal rights, reconciliation, benefits the environment, and the fulsome economy that depends on wild salmon. We are of a common purpose, First Nations across British Columbia, where we want to work with the federal government. We want to be at that table for a First Nation-led approach to the rehabilitation of wild salmon. All across this province, we hold traditional ecological knowledge that is the foundation of our existence in relationship to wild salmon, which forms a very significant portion of our culture, our traditions, and our attachment to our lands. When Canada makes promises of implementing the Truth and Reconciliation Commission reports of the Indian residential schools, it talks about the need to rebuild the opportunity of the exercise of culture, of traditions, of attachment to lands, and it talks about significant investment by the Crown. We say to Prime Minister Carney, by investing in wild salmon in a First Nation-led restoration approach, we can attain many of the political commitments the governments have made that Canadian citizens still wait to see substantive action.